traders and investors. This is Friday morning, 13th of April, Friday the 13th, and we've had some positive market action overnight, which is going to help influence the ASX 200. To start with, on Thursday, the ASX 200 actually finished up 29 points at 42.75. We can see on the chart here a nice, solid open green candle. It has traded higher than 50% of the previous candle, and suggests that we have some support that has formed just under some previous lows in through here. Okay, so with the potential of a higher open again this morning, it looks like we will have a short-term bullish reversal pattern. This may give the index the legs to start to crack above this resistance range between 4300 and 437. We'll need to wait and see how that transpires over the coming sessions. Now, in overseas market activity, the Dow Jones was up quite strongly overnight. It actually gained 181 points, closing at 12,986. You can see that the lows in the last couple of sessions, which attempted to break below 12,700, have actually now reversed, and that's going to reflect quite strongly on the ASX 200 today. Also, in the US markets, the S&P 500, you can see that it has also shown a strong short-term bullish reversal pattern. It has formed a higher low point and a continuation of the overall upwards trend. With the S&P 500 cracking below the 50-day moving average just in the last few sessions, it's now trading back above that level, and it's a very similar pattern to what we had seen back here in December. So an expectation now that a continuation of the long-term upwards trend. In commodities, we've seen copper form a short-term bullish reversal as well. Now, this is slightly different. We can see the severity of the break of the support that had held the sideways trading range. We need to be cautious of this now. Any short-term rally, we need to see strength from the buyers. If we see a short-term bearish reversal pattern form on this, that would form a lower high along with a lower low, and that would then define a downwards trend. So keep an eye on copper. The Aussie dollar has also rallied quite strongly. We can see that there's been a two-day rally just in the last two sessions. So overnight, the Aussie dollar closed at 104.3, and this is in a downwards trend at the moment. So we need to be very cautious with what activity occurs from this point on. A change of trend needs to have a higher low, higher high, and we would also prefer to see it breaking above this 50-day moving average. In Europe, all the major bourses were up. The German DAX has been our benchmark for how Europe has been performing. We can see the German DAX has formed a short-term bullish reversal pattern. Again, that is on a support base, as with nearly all the other major indices around the world. But what we need to be careful of is that the DAX is in a short-term downwards trend. So we'll be keeping an eye on the strength of the buyers, using candlestick analysis to evaluate whether a short-term bearish reversal forms in through here, which could lead to a further breaking of the support. And finally, with the markets rallying, the US VIX index has declined. We can see the VIX here has retraced, has got a short-term bearish reversal pattern. We're not expecting it to break much further below 16 points, 16 to 15 points. Expect that it should hold through here. As long as the markets are rallying, the VIX will remain deflated down around these levels. But if the stock market in general starts to decline, then we will see the VIX rallying again. That sums up our broad market wrap, and we'd like to thank you all for tuning in. We look forward to updating you on Monday after the weekend has transpired. Enjoy your weekend and happy trading.